What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you through how to play Wordle game. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Wordle is a daily puzzle game, and every 24 hours a new word is being given for 8 players to guess. So in order to play the game, go to google.com, then you search Wordle, then you go to the first search, which is powerlanguage.co.uk. You click on it, it will take you to the Wordle game. So when you go to the Wordle game, you could just click on here to get the guidelines. Here they are telling us each guess must be a valid 5-letter word. Hit the enter button to submit. After each guess, the color of the tiles will change to show how close your guess was to the word. And here you could see the letter W, which is in the green, is in the word and in the correct spot, and the letter I, which is in yellow, is in the word but in the wrong spot, and the letter U, which is in gray, is not in the word in any spot. A new word will be available each day. So in order to play the game, we have 6 rules the which we could try, and each word has to be a 5-letter word. So let's get straight into the game. So the first word I would like to type in is, so let's go with grave. So let's press enter. When you look at it, they are telling us the letters that are on gray, it means those letters are not in the word, but the ones that are in yellow, it means they are in the word but not in the right spot. Let's try another word and see. So let's try, let's see which word. Bingo. So the letters that are on green, it means the letters are in the word and they are also in the right spot. So let's see which word will we get. Let's try this third word and see if we get it right. Let's see. Okay, looks like we are getting closer and closer. So you can see it means we are left with one word to get the right word. So let's see which word will we try again. Let's see. Ow, we didn't get the word, so let's try the 5th one and see. Okay, let's see which word will we try. See whether if you get the right word. Bingo! Great, you have gotten the right word. So after getting the right word, this will pop up. You will share it with your friends, show them the word that you already had. So it's as easy as that. So after every 24 hours, a new word will be given to try again. It's a fun game, so you could give it a try. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.